Okay, so to find the equation of the tangent to the graph, here's what you need to do. Derive the function y, which means you'll get the derivative of sine, which is cosine, the same angle, multiplied by the derivative of the angle, which is 2. Just to rewrite this function the right way, we should write it as 2 cosine 2x. And we did this because we multiplied this 2 at the very beginning. Now, this x value should be substituted twice. The first time in order to find the slope, and the second time in order to find the y value. Now, if you substituted this x in the derivative of the function, you'll get the slope. And if you substituted it in the function itself, you'll get the y value. Let's call this one the original function. So let's start by finding the slope and substituting this x in this function. We'll say now that y prime is equal to 2 cosine 2 times the x value, which is 1 over 4. And when you put this on your calculator, you'll get the value of 1.755. This is the slope of the equation of the line. Now, if we substituted x in the original function, as we said, this is what will get us the y value. So using the original function y equals sine 2x, I'm going to now substitute the x value of 1 over 4. This on your calculator should get you 0.479. This is the y value, the y coordinate of the point x equals 1 over 4 and y equals 0.47. We can just approximate those two values and we'll make it 1.76, and in this one it would make it 0.48. Just to make things a bit easier, you can leave it as it is if you want to. So now, since we have the slope and the y coordinate, we should substitute in the equation of y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1. This is the point slope formula. So we'll leave the first y as it is, and instead of y1, we'll put the y value that we calculated over here as 0.48. And instead of m, which is the slope, we'll put the slope that we've calculated, which is 1.76. The first x will remain as an x, and the second one will be changed to the x given in the question, which is 1 over 4 or 0.25, whatever you feel comfortable with. Simplifying this equation and solving for y, you'll get the equation of the line. So solving for y means that I'm supposed to multiply 1.76 by both and moving negative 0.48 to the other side of the equal sign, which will get me then y minus 0.48. This is equal to 1.76x. Then multiply 1.76 times negative 0.25, and this should give you 0.44. So negative 0.44. Then moving the negative 0.48 to the other side, this will get you 1.76x. Then minus negative 0.44 plus negative 0.48 actually will become positive 0.04. That is the equation of the tangent to the graph.